Hey there, parents. Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most fun ways to teach your little ones to read, through games. Yes, you heard me right. Learning can be playful, and phonics games are the secret sauce to making reading exciting. Why use games, you ask? Well, kids learn best when they're having fun. Games keep their attention and motivate them to practice without even realizing it. It's like sneaking veggies into a delicious smoothie. Let's kick things off with a classic, Phonics Bingo. Create bingo cards with letters and pictures that correspond to their sounds. As you call out the sounds, your child can mark them off on their card. If they get 5 in a row, they yell bingo or phonics chant. You decide. It's a great way to reinforce letter sounds in a fun setting. And here's a tip, make it a family game night. Everyone loves a little competition, and it's a great way to bond while practicing reading skills. Next up, we have sound sorting. Grab a few objects from around the house or pictures from magazines. Sort them based on their starting sounds. For example, put cat and cup in the C pile and apple and ant in the A pile. It's simple, but trust me, your little ones will love it. Plus, it helps them to start to understand the relationship between letters and sounds. How about a game of rhyming pairs? Write pairs of rhyming words like cat and hat, dog and frog, and turn them face down and play memory. This game not only helps with phonics, but gets those little brains thinking about word patterns. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good old-fashioned game of memory? Remember, the goal is to make reading fun. Celebrate their successes, no matter how small. A high five, a dance, or even a silly song can go a long way towards boosting their confidence. And if you're looking for additional resources to support your child's reading journey, be sure to check out the links in the description below. That's it for today's phonics game extravaganza. Try out these games at home and watch your child's reading skills grow while they giggle and play. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun reading tricks and tips to help your little reader thrive. Until next time, keep the learning fun and lively. Bye for now.